Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to set up Discord invite tracker. Begin by creating a dedicated role and channel for invite logs and restrict its permissions. Next, invite a trusted tracking bot or enable webhook logging, then configure which invite codes to monitor. Test with a secondary account to confirm invites are recorded correctly and the role can view logs. Keep records tidy and rotate permissions periodically for better security and clarity. Start by picking a reliable invite tracker bot and grant it manage server privileges so it can read invites. Create a private channel called invite logs and restrict visibility to moderators or admins only. In the bot dashboard, enable tracking for all invite codes and set exclusions for vanity links or temporary invites. Save settings and run a few test invites to confirm accurate logging, then adjust notification frequency to avoid spam. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: a book that can truly change how you think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs well with planning server monetization and budgeting for bots. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a copy if you want clear money guidance. Now let's get back to the video. If invite counts look off, first verify the bot has managed server and read invite permissions in server settings. Ensure vanity URLs or external redirectors aren't masking invite codes and that the bot's cache is refreshed. Check audit logs for invite link creation and revoke any suspicious links. If problems persist, rotate the bot token, reauthorize the bot, and run controlled tests with test accounts to isolate the issue before restoring normal tracking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.